Aisha of Elaborate Designs by Aisha, and here on my channel you will see event decor, you will see tablescapes, and also balloon designs. All right, so today's video I will be showing you the decorations and the event that I did for my daughter's sweet 16 birthday party. I'm so excited about it. Now one thing about it, it was very windy. On yesterday we gave my daughter this party on Saturday, and you'll be seeing this video on Monday. So everything that you will see is on Saturday. But it was windy here where we live, so I was able to still go out there and put a lot of things together. I had some things to blow away, had to go get it and bring it back. So yeah, so it was really good. I did a setup in our home here for the dessert table, and she wanted that to be rose gold. And the decorations we did on the outside, she wanted to be glow in the dark. So let me just tell you a little the way that we decided to do the glow in the dark party. So last year, if y'all have not seen the tablescape video that I did for my daughter on last year, then you go and check it out. I will put it right here in the card section as well as in the description box. So make sure you go and check out that video. But what I always do with my children, I always ask them the year before. Like last year, I asked her what she wanted to do this year, which is 2020. And I had already decided what I wanted to do for her if she didn't have a theme in mind. And she told me, she said she wanted to glow in the dark party. So I was like, all right, I had already decided to do that anyway. But anyway, so after she told me that, I started thinking and envisioning different things that I wanted to do for her. And she had said she wanted to have a sleepover. But you know, with the pandemic and everything that has come up here in 2020, we was not able to do a sleepover. All right, so we were able to have some of her friends over, and I made masks, which I will be showing you, and we also did the social distancing and everything. But she have not seen her friends in a really long time, because in my area we doing virtual learning, which is you know, they're doing their lesson at home. So they have not seen each other since last year in March when, well, no, this year in March after spring break, you know, when school stopped, and everything went virtual. So yeah, so I'm going to show you, everything with the event. Everything went very well. They got in the pool, and then we had our food. And one thing I did not do, I forgot to, show you the food that I had, but my daughter wanted meatballs, pizza, we had wings, we had lemon pepper wings, mild wings, and she wanted eggs, which I call them blessed eggs. Some people call them stuffed eggs, but we had blessed eggs, and we also had birthday cake. And I will show you the birthday cake that we went and she decided on. It's a very pretty cake, all right? And I'm trying to think of something else that we had food. Oh, and I had to set up a little small candy buffet on the dessert table that I will be showing you. And again, the dessert table will be rose gold, and I purchased a table runner to go on that, as well as the cake plate. But the actual cake, once we got it home, was a little too big to fit on the cake plate. So what I did, it was on a little, like a little rose gold thing on the inside. So I just took the entire thing out of the box and just placed it on the cake plate, if that makes sense. You'll see it in the video. All right, so thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you all hit that subscribe button. All right, hit that subscribe button and come along with us here at Elaborate Designs by Aisha. I would love to have you a part of my family. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below. All right, let me know what you think about this video. And again, don't forget to subscribe. Hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in my next video. I would like to say happy birthday to my daughter. Today is her birthday. And as you see right here, I am blowing up the rose gold balloons that will be going over the dessert table. Alright, so I'm going to be using these happy birthday favor boxes that I used last year for my oldest daughter's birthday. And all I'm going to be doing is putting some of this beautiful paper in it, since her party is glow in the dark. And all I do is just kind of twist it, and just put it over in here, just like this. Gotta push it down in there. Alright, and what I'm going to be doing, giving her friends as a party favor, is these masks that I made. Alright, so you know it's pandemic time right now. So I made masks for them because we want to social distance. Even though they're teenagers, we still need to social distance. So I made a mask, and it says "Let's Glow." The masks are black, and I just added some pink vinyl on it. All right, and all I do is kind of fold it like this and just put it over in this box that I made right here, and just place it down in here like so. Okay, and I have some of these hand sanitizers that I purchased. All right, so all I'm going to do is take these and just place it just like this on top of the mask, if you can see down in there. All right, and I also have some candy bags and some candy that I will be giving to them as they leave. But this is just to give to them as they coming in, so they can use their mask and their hand sanitizers while they're here. All right, so all right, I want to show you that. All right, so here's the rose gold balloons that you see me blowing up previously. Here's the photo backdrop that I used. I designed it, added the picture and everything, and just had it printed out. And I used my daughter's dresser to add to this, to make it a dessert table for her desserts and everything. And as you see, I added just some candy. And there's the cake plate, as well as the table runner in rose gold, and the Sweet 16 plate. Alright, so I have added my daughter's 16th birthday cake, and as you see, I just added on top of the cake plate that I purchased because it was too big to just take it off the little plate thing and just put it there. Parts of it came off in the box on the sides, as you see right there, but it's delicious cake. It was still good. Okay, so the party took place on the outside, as you see right here, and I added a gifts as well as hand sanitizing, like a station on the same table. All right, and here is the Let's Glow backdrop, as well as the balloons, the glow in the dark balloons that I added on my pipe and drape stand. And as you see, the wind was blowing. It was blowing a little harder later on. Alright, so I just added the gifts right there inside of a frame, as well as right here where it says sanitize first, now let's glow. And these are the favor boxes I have for each child, each kid, as they come up and into the party. And I had some disinfectant wipes, as well as hand sanitizer and different sanitizing things, as you see right there. And the tablecloth is one from the Dollar Tree, and I just added splatters of paint here. And this is the area where they were eating, and I did not put the plates and all of that out because, like I said, the wind was blowing and I did not want everything to go flying off. And I added that picture right there in the middle. Alright, and here is the dance floor that they had, and my husband put all of this down, and he did a great job. He put the number 16 in the middle. I thought that was really cute. Thank you. You found it. Found it. That's it. Alright, so right here, my daughter wanted to add like some pictures and videos And so my husband had made this projector screen, and all we did was just put like little silly videos and pictures of her, and all the kids had a fun looking and watching her when she was younger and as she was growing up. Alright, so here's the dance floor at night. It's glowing, as you know, it's a glow in the dark party. So I just wanted to show you how it looks at nighttime, and everyone enjoyed. And we also had the little games on the side, you can't really see it, as well as the projector screen and everything.